how to turn off or on home improvement visualizer permission on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First, open Amazon Shopping and now click this three lines here and then click settings and now click this one here. This one here, permissions, and then scroll down, scroll until you find home improvement visualizer. Now you can turn it on or off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.